Okay, we're in Golden Ears Park, and here's another example of a waterfall coming out of a tree. And here is the tree. It's alive. It's a western red cedar. In a forest of fir and hemlock, but the base of it is on this rock that appears to be spewing an artesian well of a waterfall. And if you look up near the base of the trunk there, it appears to be shooting out of the rock. Anyway, very interesting. Golden Ears Park, nice waterfall right beside the road. This is called Fern Crescent in Golden Ears Park. And you have another miracle waterfall coming out of a tree stump. Well, actually a living tree log stump. Not a stump yet, but I guess I'm not sure at what stage you can call it a stump, but it's definitely a tree. And the roots go to the right. So a big, huge boulder here. That's seeping water all along it. That's all rock. And right there is your old waterfall. 2 days after the apocalyptic flooding of the Millennium, there are actually a few cars coming up here now. But earlier this morning there was no one. I was the only person up here. Anyway, very beautiful rainforest, as you can see. No creeks around, just nice beautiful rainforest, and this artesian waterfall coming out of the stump. Okay, I hope you're enjoying this. I am. The air smells so good after 3 weeks of rain, after the third atmospheric river coming through in a month. And we're expecting another one starting probably maybe tonight or tomorrow.